Hey guys, my name is Jay Finning and we are out here at this year's United Food Bank oneLESS event with oneauTo, RadOrDie. This is the car show roll-in. All these cars are pulling in. You can compete first, second, third place, most donated, team bagging competition. Everybody wins today.
Food pantries. Anyone want to guess like how many meals a day we move out through United Food Bank? 552,000. Yeah.
One, two, three, four, five, six. That was absolutely amazing. We have one more group to go. One more group to go. Help make one less family go hungry, one less child go hungry, one less senior citizen go hungry. Okay, we just did the second group. We got a lot of bags. We actually ran out of mashed potatoes.
17,294 meals.
Such an incredible time today. Collectively, between two groups, we did enough meals between donations, bag assembly, and physical drop-off goods. 17,290 meals were provided today.